So what's up there, you guys? It's your man Joe, and I came on, wanted to talk to y'all about something, right? So recently I had to get my, where did I go? You know what? Recently I'm going to have to renew my registration on my car. And I didn't really think about anything. You know, I thought, just a regular thing. What I noticed when I got it on the mail today about, is this a one-way or a two-way? Okay, I had to make a turn. The funny thing is, they said that I have to get a smog check. Last year, that did not happen. Right onto Whittier Boulevard. Susan, calm down. Last year, I didn't have to, go get a smog check in order to, get the registration.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Hadley Street.
So I didn't have to get a registration, get a smog check for my car. Last year, I didn't. This year I have to. This year I have to, go get a smog check.
Next left onto Hadley Street.
Oh, this way. Oh, this way. See, this is what happens when you talk and drive. Yeah. So yeah, well, I was saying that last year I didn't have to get a registration. I didn't have to get a smog check for my registration. Maybe in your state, possibly. But here, that never happened. Wow, really? You just gonna cut off that person? Anyway, sorry for all the distractions. Coronavirus. Anyway, so during that, I was just thinking, I was out here driving because I got to pay a couple of things. I was thinking about, like, next year. It's not going to be for, next time they're probably not going to do for the whole smog or for my smog for my car. I think next year, 2021, is where you're going to have to either get that swab thing in order to get your car registered. So then I was like, dang, I really have to prepare for something like this, because if they can make laws where I have to get a smog check for this car, just imagine if I had to get the chip or take that brain swap thing in order to get this car registered. It's something to really think about, it just something to really think about. So without further ado, what do you guys think? You guys think I'm just overreacting or overthinking? Like, what do you guys think? Please leave a like and please leave a comment, so let me know what you guys think. I know I'm just repeating myself. So it's your man Joe.